Word problems based on distance, speed and time. See student, now we are going to solve problems based on distance, speed and time. That means we have to use relation between distance, speed and time. Let's see. A man riding on a bicycle covers a distance of 60 km in a direction of wind and comes back to its original position in 8 hours. If the speed of the wind is 10 km per hour, find the speed of the bicycle. See, we have to find the speed of the bicycle. So, let the speed of the bicycle be x km per hour. Speed of the wind is given as 10 km per hour. Now, speed of the bicycle in the direction of the wind will become x plus 10 km per hour, and when it comes back, that means speed of the bicycle in against the direction of the wind is equals to x minus 10 km per hour. Now see student, as per the given condition, see, we have to consider time because the time is given as 8 hours. That means time is equals to distance upon speed. So we can write time taken in the direction of the wind plus time taken against the direction of wind is equals to 8 hours. So time taken in the direction of the wind will become 60 upon x plus 10, and time taken against the direction of the wind is 60 upon x minus 10 is equals to 8. Now we can solve this. First we can take 60 common. In bracket we have 1 upon x plus 10 plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equals to 8. Now we can solve this bracket by making denominator same and cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, x minus 10 plus x plus 10 upon x plus 10 into x minus 10 is equals to 8 upon 60. Plus 10 minus 10 get cancelled, x plus x 2x upon x square minus 100 is equals to 2 upon 15. Dividing throughout by 15 we get x upon x square minus 100 is equals to 1 upon 15. Cross multiply. X square minus 100 is equals to 15x. So we get x square minus 15x minus 100 is equals to 0. Now we can factorize this minus 100 so that subtraction will be minus 15, and the factors are minus 20 and plus 5. So we can write x square minus 20x plus 5x minus 100 is equals to 0. Now we can make a group of 2's. From first two term we can take common x in bracket x minus 20 plus 5 common in bracket x minus 20 is equals to 0. So x minus 20 second bracket x plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore x minus 20 is equals to 0 or x plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 20 or x is equals to minus 5. But see, the speed of the bicycle cannot be negative. Therefore x is equals to 20. And the answer is the speed of the bicycle is equals to 20 km per hour. See student, we have to calculate time. So we can use formula time is equals to distance upon speed. A car covers a distance of 240 km with some speed. Increase by 20 km per hour, it will cover the same distance in 2 hours less. Time will be 2 hours less. Find the speed of the car. See, again the question is find the speed of the car. That means the original speed of the car be x kilometer per hour. Now see, speed is increased, right? And in original speed the distance covered is 240 kilometer. So we can write time is equals to distance upon speed. So time taken by car is equals to 240 upon x hours. Now speed is increased by 20 kilometers. So new speed of car is equals to x plus 20 kilometer per hour. So new time taken by car is equals to 240 upon x plus 20 hours. Now as per the given condition, we can write 240 upon x minus 240 upon x plus 20 is equals to 2. So we can solve this by taking 240 common. In bracket we have 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 20 is equals to 2. Now solve the bracket by cross multiplication. At the same time this 240 you can bring at RHS, you will get 2 upon 240. So x plus 20 minus x upon x into x plus 20. Plus x minus x get cancelled. So 20 upon x square plus 20x is equals to 1 upon 20. So 20 into 120 is equals to 1 into x square plus 20x. So 20 into 120 is 2400 is equals to x square plus 20x. So x square plus 20x minus 2400 is equals to 0. Now we can take factors of minus 2400. It will become 60 and minus 40. So we can write this as x square plus 60x minus 40x minus 2400 is equals to 0. Now you can make a group of two terms. From first two terms we can take x common in bracket x plus 60, and from the next two terms we can take minus 40 common in bracket x plus 60 is equals to 0. So x plus 60 into x minus 40 is equals to 0. Therefore x plus 60 is equals to 0, or x minus 40 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 60 or x is equals to 40. But see student, again the speed of the car cannot be negative, hence x is equals to 40. Therefore the original speed of the car is 40 km per hour. See, one more question based on this speed, distance and time. An express train takes 30 minutes less for a journey of 440 km if its usual speed is increased by 8 km per hour. Find its usual speed. So once again student, distance covered by train, distance is given as 440 km. So let the usual speed of the train x km per hour. So we can write time, distance upon speed. So usual time taken by train 440 upon x hours. Now the speed is increased. So the new speed of the train is x plus 8 km per hour. So new time taken by the train 440 upon x plus 8 hours. So as per the given condition, we can write the difference usual time taken minus new time taken is equals to 30 minutes. Now see, very important student, we have time, speed in kilometer per hours. So you have to convert this time 30 minutes in hour, that is half hour. So 440 upon x minus 440 upon x plus 8 is equals to 1 upon 2. Now we can solve this by taking 440 common in bracket 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 8 is equals to 1 upon 2. Now we can cross multiply this. At the same time 440 we can bring at RHS 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 440. So x plus 8 minus x upon x into x plus 8 plus x minus x get cancelled. So 8 upon x square plus 8x is equals to 1 upon 880. Now cross multiply this. 8 into 880 is equals to 1 into x square plus 8x, that is 7040 is equals to x square plus 8x. So we can write this as x square plus 8x minus 7040 is equals to 0. So we can factorize this minus 7040 so that subtraction will become plus 8. And the factors are 88 and minus 80. So x square plus 88x minus 80x minus 7040 is equals to 0. So we can make group of 2. From first 2 we can take x common in bracket x plus 88, and from the next 2 we can take minus 80 common in bracket x plus 88 is equals to 0. So the common bracket is x plus 88, second bracket x minus 80 is equals to 0. So x plus 88 is equals to 0 or x minus 80 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 88 or x is equals to 80. But see, the speed of the train cannot be negative. Therefore x is equals to 80. So the usual speed of the train is 80 km per hour. From the same place at 7 am, A started walking in the north at the speed of 5 km per hour. After 1 hour, B started cycling in the east at the speed of 16 km per hour. At what time they will be at the distance of 52 km apart from each other? Now see student, let's consider O be the point from where A and B started their journey. So let's consider this as a point O. Now see, A reached at the point N. That means ON is the distance traveled by this A. And we know that distance is equals to speed into time. And while B reached at point E, so OE is the distance traveled by B. Now after 1 hour, the distance NE, see, after 1 hour B started, and see NE, the distance apart from each other, that is NE is equals to 52 km. So first you have to calculate distance ON. See, speed of A is given as 5 km per hour and speed of B is given as 16 km per hour. So we can calculate the distance. So let the time taken by B to reach at point E x hours and by A x plus 1 hours. So distance is equals to time upon speed. So as per given condition in right angle triangle, see, the distance traveled by A will become 5 into x plus 1 and the distance covered by B will become 16x km. So this is right angle triangle NOE. That means we can apply Pythagoras theorem, and by Pythagoras theorem you will get NE square is equals to ON square plus OE square. Therefore 52 square is equals to 5 into x plus 1 the whole square plus 16x square. Now we can solve this bracket. 52 square 2704. 5 into x plus 1, 5x plus 5 the whole square plus 16x square, that is 25x square plus 50x plus 25 plus 256x square minus 2704. So we have 281x square plus 50x minus 2676 is equals to 0. Now see student, minus 2676 into 281 will become minus 7,57,308. You have to factorize so big number, and now you have to take factors of this so that subtraction will become plus 50. And see the factors, minus 843 and 893. See, these are the biggest number, minus 843 and 893. So we can write equation 281x square minus 843x plus 893x minus 2676 is equals to 0. Now we can make a group of 2's, and from first group we can take 281x common. In bracket we will get x minus 3. From the next two terms we can take 893 common. In bracket x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x minus 3 common. In second bracket 281x plus 893 is equals to 0. So x minus 3 is equals to 0, or 281x plus 893 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 3, or 281x is equals to minus 893. But see, x is the speed, but x is the time. Time cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to 3. That means x plus 1 will become 4. So A will reach at point N after 4 hours. And see, A started journey at 7 am. That means at 11 am A and B will be at the distance of 52 km apart from each other. One tank, question number 21. One tank can be filled up by 2 taps in 6 hours. See, time required to fill the tank is 6 hours. The smaller tap alone takes 5 hours more than the bigger tap alone. Find the time required by each tap to fill the tank separately. So let the time taken to fill a tank by the bigger tap is x. Therefore, the time taken by the smaller tap will become x upon x plus 5. Now the time taken to fill the tank by bigger tap is x. That means portion of the tank fill in 1 hour by bigger tap is 1 upon x. And the time taken by the smaller tap alone x plus 5. Therefore, the portion of the tank fill in 1 hour by the smaller tap 1 upon x plus 5. So, time taken by both the taps together 6 hours. That means portion of the tank fill in 1 hour by both the tap together 1 upon 6. So, as per the given condition, we can write portion of the tank fill by both the tap, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 6. Now we can solve this by cross multiplication. X plus 5 plus x upon x into x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 6. So x plus x, 2x plus 5 upon x square plus 5x is equals to 1 upon 6. By cross multiplication, 6 into 2x plus 5 is equals to 1 into x square plus 5x. 6 into 2x, 12x. 12x plus 30 is equals to x square plus 5x. Therefore, x square minus 7x minus 30 is equals to 0. Now we can take factors of this minus 30 as 10 3s are. So, x square plus 3x minus 10x minus 30 is equals to 0. So, make a group of two terms. From first two terms we can take x common in bracket x plus 3 minus 10 common in bracket x plus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, x plus 3 into x minus 10 is equals to 0. So, x plus 3 is equals to 0 or x minus 10 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 3 or x is equals to 10. But the time taken cannot be negative, hence x is equals to 10. Time taken by bigger tap is 10 and the time taken by smaller tap 10 plus 5, that is 15 hours.